Introducing the CuroCell CX15, an innovative air-on-air mattress replacement system standing at a height of 15 centimeters. Designed for the prevention and treatment of pressure injuries up to and including stage 4 and unstageable pressure injuries, the CX15 is a reliable solution for comfort and well-being. Equipped with an A4 or IQ pump, the CX15 mattress offers versatility tailored to specific clinical needs. With a substantial safe working load of 220 kilograms, this mattress is suitable for individuals who can or cannot self-reposition. The inbuilt heel slope facilitates pressure redistribution by relieving pressure from the high-risk heel region. The cell holder covers a large area of the mattress, stitched to fit individual air cells, ensuring a solid structure and preventing users from bottoming out. Made of low-friction fabric, it minimizes the risk of shear forces against the skin. The main cells are individually constructed, easily replaceable in case of a puncture, and readily available from Unicare Health. Consider the CuroCell CX15 for low floor-to-mattress surface height requirements. It is also ideal for users with bed rails, as it offers a safe gap between the mattress and the top of the bed rail to enhance safety. Suitable for those experiencing unmanaged incontinence, air-on-air constructions on the CX15 simplify the cleaning process. This air-on-air design also allows it to be folded down to fit into hand luggage, making it a convenient option for those on the go. The mattress is supplied with a 4-way stretch hygienic cover that is moisture-proof and vapor-permeable to optimize infection control and microclimate. The cover is equipped with welded seams and zip shields for protection, along with a cable management sleeve to keep cords tidy and off the ground. The hygienic cover is machine washable up to 95 degrees Celsius and can be tumble dried. Daily cleaning can involve the use of cleaning agents or disinfectants with chlorine content of up to 1%. For optimal safety, straps on the hygienic cover can be fastened to the moving parts of the bed frame to prevent any movement.